Hi guys and gals, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Manta. Although the Manta is not the focus of this video, the focus of this video is Orwin, my mk2 Cav in gold, which as regular viewers of the channel will know is called Orwin and is the 2 litre SRI 130 powered B-Reg hatch, as you can see. And he's my rat Cav because he's covered in patina and bits of rust and flaky paint and all the things that make him what he is. And I'm just on with doing some MOT prep, so I'm just going to go through what I'm doing. I have in the last few weeks replaced the steering rack gaiters. I have got some videos on the way showing how I did that. I've also done some welding under here. Welded a nice big patch there because there was a nice big hole. I've actually got to do the same at the other side, but I'm on with that. And I'm just doing some checking around of the underneath. I've found that there's a little hole there that I need to weld up. This arch has been repaired previously in the past and it's just had a bit of a quick job done to get it through an MOT at some point in its life. I think it was when my mate Andy owned him. I'm not really going to do anything with that, it's solid. I might just weld that little hole up. It was all covered in filler and it were all bubbling, so I chopped away the filler and found the hole. Same down here as well, there was a bit of underseal that was flaking, so I peeled up the underseal, prodded it a little bit and it went through in a hole. So there you go. There's also, you'll not be able to see it on camera probably, unless my camera will focus in on it, but under there where the spring seat is, there's just a little bit of a hole which I already knew about, and I've just got to weld up. I'm also just tidying up these arches a little bit. Again, I'm not going to town because he is a rat Cav. He is purposely ratty, he's ratty on purpose. None of it's fake though, it's all natural, completely natural patina that goes with the age of the car. There's nothing being faked, none of this is, you know, being faked. Like you do see a lot of cars which are covered in patina and rattiness. It's actually not genuine, original. It's done by the owner, or sometimes it's not even real rust. It's the that rust paint that you can buy. But no, there's no rust paint on this. This is all genuine rust from bird dropping damage, which has done it. So there you go, guys. So list of jobs. I've also got that CV boot to do the inner one. I've also got a new CV joint to fit at this side. The bits of welding I've got to do at this side, there's a bit there, little hole through there that you can see. There's also a little bit of a hole which you'll not see because I didn't put my torch on the camera, or you might see it, just see the light shining through there where my finger is, same as the other side. And then like I say, I've got the little bits of welding at that side to do. Probably a little bit of just getting rid of any sharp edges on that particular arch. Probably just tidy it up a bit, but get rid of some of the bubbles. If you notice the difference in the shade of gold, that's because that lighter gold on the arch is actually hammerite. There's quite a few bits on the car which are painted with gold hammerite, but that is the beauty of this car being ratty. It just adds to it. As you can see, all the little bubbles of rust and everything all over him, but it is what he is, and I absolutely love him to bits being the way that he is. Just squeeze through this little gap if I can, come back around this side. Another thing I'm going to do, even though it's not been a problem on the MOT in the past, as you can see, this rear quarter balance on the passenger side is completely gone on that inner edge, but it was like that on the last MOT, and the MOT's tester says, well, it's not in a position where it can catch a pedestrian, it's not structurally important, so it's actually passable. So but I am going to sort it. I'm just going to come down under the car so you can see it's the inner, I don't know if my phone will, there we go, just focusing on it a little bit. As you can see, the inner bit needs building up and then that needs building up as well, so I'll just fabricate it. This is the reason that the exhaust sounds so awesome. The old Piper Tornado stainless steel system. right down to the downpipes at the front. This is the proper old school tow bar, which a lot of people would have removed, but you know what, it just adds to the rattiness, so I'm leaving it. One of the good things as well with Orwin is, even though he is ratty, he's absolutely solid as a rock underneath. Apart from, you know, the odd little teeny tiny bit I've got to weld, there's nothing major. The rear valance at that side's actually solid as a rock. I've been prodding and poking it. There's a little bit just there that's gone through, but again, it's right under the under edge, so I'm not going to worry about it for now. Oh, there's Trevor, the front error. I've got another video coming soon for Trevor. I had a little problem with him having like a power drain when you turn the ignition on. I'll not tell you now what the solution was, but I did come up with a solution. See me Mark 1 cab down there as well. Camera's just going out of focus. I'll show you as well while I'm here the rear disc conversion. It's got the V6 spec front brakes on the front, and then the discs on the back. Slotted and grooved on the back, the standard discs on the front. So there you go guys, so I'm going to crack on. I'm going to get all these little bits done, and then I'll get him booked in for an MOT. I'm actually off work now until Tuesday the 30th of August. It's actually, what is it today, the 18th, 19th? 19th today. So basically about 9 days holiday I've got, so hopefully I get some of this nice weather. As you can see, it's beautiful today. If it continues, and hopefully I'll be able to get a few jobs done. Get an MOT on Orwin, hopefully, and then I might get some little jobs done. I'm just tripping up. Might get some jobs done on the Manta. The Vector is hiding over there under the cover. Sylvia's down on the road, so I'll have to see. I need to do a proper walk around video of the Manta as well to show you everything. I've got a flat tyre there, but it's in great condition overall. There's just odd little bits like there. That was a big bubble of rust on the door, so I just had a little prod and a poke earlier. As you can see, it's not that big. Look at it next to my thumb. It's not a particularly big hole. I won't need to replace the door. I'll just cut that bit out and weld the patch in and then blend it to match. But yeah, I'll do a proper walk around video of the Manta another day. That's not for this video. This video is all to do with Orwin. So thanks a lot for watching guys. If you want to keep in touch, keep up to date, I mean, with progress on my various projects. As you can see, I've got a lot. There's another 2 in the garage as well, and over on my Mark 2 Cav convertible. But yeah, if you want to keep up to date with all my projects, then please like the channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Share it with your friends as well, so other people can find out what's going on. And I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, bye.